All right, my sweet and precious children, welcome back. We are on third edition of Saxon Algebra 1/2. I moved my desk a little bit, there we go. So today we're talking about opposites, and in terms of math, opposites can mean a whole lot of things, but today we're gonna be talking about how opposites apply positive, negative. Opposite of positive is negative, opposite of negative is positive. Now, with that said, when we have something like -2 times -3, when we're talking multiplication, if the signs are the same, it's positive. So this is going to equal positive. Another way of thinking about that is if there are an even number of signs, the number of negatives when multiplying, if there are an even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Then your answer is going to be positive. We just proved that right over here. There's 2 negatives, 2 is even, so the answer is going to be positive. If it's odd, 1, 2, 3, it's going to be negative. Let's show you how that works. -1 times -1 times -1. Well, -1 times -1 is +1, times a -1 is -1. So if there are 3, 5, 7, 9, all that good stuff, the answer is going to be negative. This only applies to multiplication, okay? So take a look here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 is an odd number, so our answer is going to be negative. And we just take that number that's in there, and we're like, all right, there you go. It's a 7, okay? Take a look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is even, so our answer here is going to be positive. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3 negatives, right? There's a positive in there. That doesn't even matter. It's just the negatives you want to count. 1, 2, 3. That is odd. Odd is negative, so our answer here is -4. Guys, practice at the bottom. Pause the video. Try these. Come on back. All right, 1, 2, 3, that is odd, so it's going to be -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is even. 4 is even, so it's going to be +7. 1, 2, that's an even number, so it's going to be +81. 1, 2, 3, that is, I'm going to write it down here. 1, 2, 3, that is odd, so it's going to be negative. Notice I didn't have to count the positives, right? So it's going to be -5. Guys, that is literally the lesson, probably the fastest lesson I've ever given you. So if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, we will see you next time. Thanks.